Welcome to this course, the Whale Trade Life Cycle. And this is the complete mind map of the Whale Trade Life Cycle. There will be 3 stages. Stage 1, we have no stock. And we will go and sell a put. And if the put expires, we will go back to stage 1. And we have no stock. And we will continue to do this until we get a sign. When we get a sign, we will be owning 100 shares of the stock or ETF. And from then on, we will be selling 1 call and 1 put because we own 100 shares. And if the put expires, the call will be exercised. And if the call is exercised, we go back to stage 1. And we will continue to do that. But if the put is assigned, then we will own 200 shares now. And from 200 shares, we will be selling 2 calls. And if the call gets exercised, we will go back to stage 1. If the call expires, we will continue to sell 2 calls. Just by doing that, even in a downturn, how many premium are you collecting? You will be collecting 1 premium here, 2 premium, 3 premium, and 4, 5 premium here in just 3 short months in a downtrend market. What you have learned about naked call and covered put is totally wrong. And why does most covered call sellers get it wrong all the time? And I'm going to show you how you can turbocharge your naked put and covered call selling. How to correctly rent out your stock. With this strategy, you will be turbocharge your stock renting. And why selling out of money put and in the money covered call is totally and always wrong. And covered call writer get it wrong all the time because they want to sell out of money put and they want to sell in the money call because these are high probability trading. But this is totally wrong because the premium you collected is too little. And in this course, I will be teaching you how to select the right strike to sell your put and call. The strategy will never be outdated. Once you master the skill, the strategy will be yours. It will never get outdated. The strategy can be passed down to your son, your grandson, and it will still work. Catch me on the live trading. I'll be doing a live trade for this course. So enroll in the course and I'll see you on the inside.